Special effects for you. Disseminate, levitate, eye drop, crumble, ta-da moment, decapitate. Check out Pika Art's newest effects for your projects. This is so much fun and amazing. Let's start our tutorial. You will love this. Easy and fantastic. Sign up to Pika Art. Link is in the description, no worries. Upload an image. Choose an effect. Generate, that's it. That's it. All you have to do now is download it. If you liked the video, do check out my playlists because they have amazing free AI tools for you in your projects. You will love them. Thanks so much for being in this journey with me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. I forgot to say that. Bye.